cream store.
Yeah.
I open what do you have? Orange ice cream, banana ice cream, lemon ice cream, blueberry ice cream, kiwi ice cream.
Okay, so what do
And
you
look,
like?
Dad.
I want what? Secret ice cream? 30 dirham. I want secret ice cream. I want secret ice cream. This one.
It will be
I want
coming.
secret ice cream, 30 dirham. Oh, it's expensive. I want secret ice cream.
Wait, I'll go make it. I'll go make it.
This is your ice cream machine?
No.
Hmm?
So what do you like?
I want the secret ice cream.
And you like the secret menu?
What?
You like the secret menu
Yes, I want the secret ice cream.
or secret food?
Yes. Okay, make for me secret ice cream.
Wait, Dad, where's your mixer? I want to buy it. Because this one, there's no fruits that can go in here.
There's a bell. Secret ice cream, please.
Okay.
Secret ice
I
cream.
need a whiskey.
So what did you like to
I want the secret ice cream. Oh, hoy, this is the secret ice cream. Oh, so yummy. Oh. I wanted the secret ice cream.
Oh my god.
Secret ice. What is this? Sago?
No, that's just like some toppings, some blueberries.
Okay, your secret ice cream is so yummy.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. What is this, Atara? What is that?
Tip, tip,
Tip?
you. Thank you.
Food. Oh, food. What's this?
tea?
Tea. Corn tea? Or bottle tea?
No,
I
that's
have the, what food I have? It's shell and carrots, cabbage with French fries. Okay, sounds so, looks yummy. Okay, I'll put that water. Okay, season. This is my food.
no, that's a little surprise.
Okay, surprise.
Just a little
Ooh, with tea. Button tea. Corn tea. Okay, let's enjoy.